Good morning everyone, welcome and thank you very much for joining me in this video. It is 4:45 a.m. New York Eastern Time. It's been 45 minutes now that the pre-market is going on. So I want to mention some things that I think that people might want to look at for the market open today, for regular hours, and for the rest of this week. Actually, these are things that I think are pretty important. I understand that the market conditions are not good right now, and we have this uncertainty with the banks. But that doesn't mean stocks won't go up, right? All right. So I mean, investing never stops. It has never ever stopped. World War I, World War II, and the 70s with the Vietnam War, the 80s with the high inflation, market crashes. Nothing has stopped the stock market, right? First of all, TENX, ticker symbol TENX. It closed at 72 cents after hours on Friday. Currently, as I am speaking, it is now at 76 cents. So it's gone up. In fact, it reached 82 cents just a few minutes ago. So this one is on the move. People might want to check this out today. It's already been on the move for the past 2-3 trading sessions. If you were in my Discord, you would have known about TENX from November 20th, 2022, when Mr. Vazalos here mentioned it the first time, and many times after that. He's been talking about it for many months, and many other people on my Discord, and you can see here 13 pages worth all the way up until today. People are talking about it on my Discord, so you would have known about it from last year and every month after that. TENX Therapeutics, a buy at Roth MKM due to late stage pulmonary hypertension assets. They have two, one phase 3 and the other one I think is phase 2 or going towards phase 3. Very important assets, so you might want to check that out. I think the TNX is headed somewhere. I can't tell you to buy. All right, I'm not, it's not my responsibility to tell people what to buy or not. Next one, Acadia Pharmaceuticals Incorporation, ACAD, another important stock that we might want to check out. This one had news during the weekend. In fact, they had really important news. The news was that they got FDA approval, right? So let's go to that. And you can see here, Acadia wins FDA nod for Rett syndrome therapy. And the stock right now, as I'm speaking, is trading at $21.35. And you can see that it closed on Friday at $20. And right now, pre-market hours is at $21.35. So it went up $1.35. But guess what? 5 minutes ago, about 10 minutes ago, the stock was nearly $24. So it's moving. This one and TENX are moving big time already. So I think that in regular hours they might do better. Technically they should. We'll see. Next, so Acadia wins FDA nod for Rett syndrome. That was announced over the weekend. Acadia announced late Friday after hours that FDA greenlighted trofinetide, if I'm not sure, under the brand name to treat a rare genetic neurodevelopmental disorder, Rett syndrome, in those aged 2 years and older, and so on. The next one we want to talk about is SNGX. That's another one to look at. In fact, SNGX was a stock I talked about on my Discord last year. And it closed at 321 on Friday. Currently, pre-market hours, it is still at 321. So here on December 15, 2022, it was 59 cents. And I talked about how they had announced submission of new drug application. The stock is now at 321. And anyone in SNGX, they are seeking FDA meeting. And this was more fresh news talked about from a member in Discord on March 9th, but it's been talked about for a while now. So Soligenix 6 FDA meeting for review of cancer photodynamic therapy. So this is coming up this year very soon, and they could possibly have an FDA approval, and that's something to look at. But with every pharmaceutical stock, no matter how promising it is, you have to be extremely careful. Let me give you an example of why you should be careful, and when you're up and you have profits, you should take them. Check this example, a classic example that I will always use as an example from here on, was on December 1, 2022. So on the first day of December in 2022, I made this post in my Discord for GLYC, glycomimetics, and the price was $2.16. And I explained that at $2.16 why I thought it was a buy. So keep the price in your mind, $2.16, December 1st, 2022. Just 2 months later, about 2.5 months later, we went all the way up to $4. So from 216 that I mentioned in my Discord, 2.5 months later, we go up here to $4. It actually went to $4.15 to be precise, $4.15. So we had huge gains. We should have sold then. I should have sold then. That was a classic example of stupidity for not selling. All right, I mean, that was just pure stupidity. When you're up over 100% on a pharmaceutical stock that still hasn't gotten FDA approval, you better take those profits. And I knew about it. I mean, I knew I should. I always take profits. People know me in my Discord. Many times they say I'm paper hands. Paper hands lose a lot less money than diamond hands. But I should have sold. I don't know what in the world drove me to think that, you know what, just hold it. Let's go for for a possible FDA approval and we'll get more money, which was stupid. Because then they did a public offering and dropped all the way down to where it is now at $1.31. So pure stupidity. Do not make this mistake yourselves. If you're up 100% like I was when I mentioned it at 216, should take your profits.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
That being said, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you have a good trading day today and take care, everyone.